Now the thing is, what you can do simply is play your pawn to h3.
Take out all
And next you
threats.
can just take this.
I hope because he is backward.
इसमें क्या फर्क है पता है? The smart thing which from the last position is that अभी आप रुक c2 नहीं आ सकते क्योंकि आपका रुक हैंगिंग है. एंड अगर मैं h3 करता हूँ और आप क्वीन मारते हो तो मेरा बिशप ये रुक को अटैक करता है, आपको टाइम ही नहीं मिलता है. सो इन अ वे नाउ h3 इज टोटली विनिंग फॉर व्हाइट. h3 g3 कुछ भी करो, you are just winning.
What else can Biswa think? I'm just thinking like this.
I think
Like,
it's
there's
like
no
trying to
move.
calculate all the moves possible.
I have a feeling he's most. The first obvious is like, should he exchange the queen because, but he sees the back rank. Those are the
Oh, he
Yes, he
got
found
it. Wow,
Found it.
Biswa, amazing move. G3.
Beautiful.
This is really classy play because
बिस्वा इतना ब्लू कॉलर वे में जीत रहा है.
oh, Samay resigned. Biswa, congratulations for the first win. What happened in the game?
I was, I think there are too many tactics and I think it was out of control for both of us, but I got the last laugh. So, like, ultimately I found some tactic. So, like, I was lost, but then I somehow was able to trap his knight.
Yeah, how did you find this move G3, which was very cool, you know, like keeping your calm. And here,
Yeah, because I calculated everything and I was like, nothing, like the position is, if it's still as water, it's fine. The moment I move anything, it's all fragile balance, right? So if I remove the back rank mate, both of his rook can't move because they are dependent on each other. His queen can't take my queen, and then I calculated and I found it.
true. 94, Samay can just drop.
He's going for it.
He's a chess
Oh, he takes.
Oh my god! You see black advantage all of a sudden.
We are coming close because where does the knight
Don't
go?
play E3. Don't play E3. Don't play E3.
No, E3 you can't play.
You can't play knight is under.
Right, yeah.
Knight E5. Problem is I think F6 hitting these two. So you have to go knight G1 because if you go knight G2, he goes
But he
knight.
lose the bishop now.
No,
bishop is gone.
Bishop comes back.
Oh, okay. Oh, he has to play E6 here. He has to play E6.
ये देखो नहीं हाँ ये अभी E3 blunder. E3 is a big blunder because then check and you lose the bishop. So Samay should not play E3 here. He has to defend. Oh,
he loses the bishop.
bishop.
ओह बिस्वा जीत रहा है.
बिस्वा ने लुक भी दिया कैमरा में कि guys
Samay just realized his bishop's gone.
Oh, look
ये पता है
at
ये
Samay.
मैंने बोला था ना ये फास्ट खेलने के चक्कर में ना you won't see this trap bishop रहा गया है.
ये लोग फाइनल में कितना फास्ट खेल रहे हैं यार. ये लीग गेम्स में धीरे धीरे चल रहा था.
अभी
it's
ट्वीट किया ना बिस्वा. ओह
नहीं ओ माय गॉड. फ्री पॉन है.
नहीं है ये रुक
नहीं
रहा
रुक से डिफेंडेड है.
ओ अच्छा ओके. That's you know what goes on in my mind.
फिर ये वाला वीकनेस है.
Oh my god.
Oh, I hate this sport so much.
Oh my god.
Did Samay see it? Oh yes,
Yeah.
he did.
Yes. he's
Oh my
come back.
god. Oh my god.
Samay's
And
back.
white is winning. White is winning.
White is winning.
Better. White is
Oh my
better.
god. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Guys,
Anirban.
I can't sit back for an Armageddon. Guys, I have to go work out.
I am fully ready for Armageddon. I want
bye.
3 Armageddon.
This tournament is affecting my health.
Oh.
Oh भाई ये this is
लेकिन-
Magnus Carlsen now.
If Biswa pushes H3, he loses. Yeah, H3
Yeah.
रुके 4 check और rook पड़ेगा. पुश मत करो ये pawn.
मैं आँख फोड़ दूंगा मेरा अगर मैं देखा कुछ. मैं देखेगा नहीं.
I don't think Biswa is going to push it.
Now this tournament needs to end, man. It's been 7 days. This is work week. Oh!
Oh my god.
Oh my god! Oh my god! He played it!
Oh
He
my!
played it!
समय की शक्ल देखो.
He played it,
Draw,
guys.
No, it's not a draw.
Won it.
It's not a draw.
खत्म guys. Check में rook पर king f3 पे king g5.
Oh my god. Oh
Never
my
mind.
god. मेरा आँख
Never mind. Oh my god, what a twist.
Oh my god.
Look at Samay's eyes. Look at Samay's eyes.
Oh
And
man.
समय just said मैं resign करने वाला था.
Man, look at Samay's eyes, dude.
Yeah. He knows he's gonna win the rook. And hard में गया workout.
Man.
Yeah, he won the rook.
That's it. He's winning this one, man. Oh God.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Please.
Viswa, man.
Oh
my
Oh dear Lord.
God.
What happened? बिस्वा क्या किया?
I don't know, blunder. चलो आर्मागेडन खेल के निकलते हैं.
Oh
चलेगा,
man. Viswa, यार.
विश्वा
He
चलेगा
can't hear
चलेगा.
us. He can't hear us. हमें
Viswa,
unmute करना पड़ेगा.
Too tired, I think.
No, dude, no, man. पता है समय
समय
बोला
यार,
एक
you
मूव
were
बाद
just
रिजाइन करने वाला था. एक मूव बाद. एक मूव.
ट्रैप रखा था मैंने, लास्ट ट्रैप एक, और वो पॉन पुश करके रुक मिल गया मेरे को.
चलो
मौसम
आर्मागेडन.
जाके आया.
विश्वा ब्रेक ले थोड़ा ब्रेक ले.
Yeah, just
Ah.
like
Yeah.
walk it off,
That's why it
Viswa, walk it
happens.
off.
You can just freshen up.
It's equal.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anything can happen. Just chill.
Brother, yes. Positive reaction. Positive.
नहीं यार ना, मतलब it was such a winning position. Opening trap चल गया था, सब कुछ हो गया था.
Discovered check.
And in blitz you see e6 very soon.
Push it F6. नहीं, वो तो और खराब है.
अरे.
Oh my god. Oh.
Why did he take?
Why
I
did he
have no
take?
idea. This is lost. Biswa's face is like, he's given up here. After that last game, he really
Now
had
he
no
got a-
energy.
Move the king. You're losing the queen.
Ooh, this is good. This is the
Will
Now
Biswa
will
resign?
resign.
yeah, resign, guys. It's a check, and you lose the queen.
I think Samay knows he's winning. And he
Now
can't.
Biswa is like, can I do a
Look at Samay. He knows he's
the
winning.
maiden too?
Guys, Samay Raina on course to becoming the champion. This is over. Nothing left. He is a queen and a rook up.
Now we can even exchange the queen for the rook.
But look at Samay's face. ऐसा लग रहा है कि वो बहुत ही इंटेंस कोई तो गेम खेल रहा है. इतना मटेरियल अप है. He doesn't know. Oh, is there some stalemate? Something?
Maybe
No,
Biswa is
let's
trying
see.
for that.
Some stalemate ideas. Oh, and checkmate, and Samay Raina is the champion of COV All Stars. Samay Raina is the champion. Congratulations, Samay.
Congrats, Samay.
Congrats,
Samay.
buddy.
Well played, Biswa.
Congratulations, man.
Heart goes
Well
out to
played,
Biswa. Biswa, well fought. Really well fought by you. Second place, you are the runner-up.
So deserving, man. Like so
Congrats,
deserving
Samay,
and very nice. Both of you really well played, man. Throughout the tournament.
What a great final, guys.
What a
Beautiful.
great final.
Amazing fight.
Samay, congratulations.
Congrats, Samay. I think it was the hardest for you to play also with all the logistics and everything. It was
Samay,
very
मुबारक
impressive.
हो तुम्हें COV हुआ है.
Oh.
2 लाख चलेगा मेरे को. क्या ही बेकार किया.
Oh man.
ठीक है, next time.
Well played, buddy, man. Well played.
Well played, guys. Well played.
Samay मुंह तो दिखाओ. Samay, what does this win mean to you?
It
Tell
means
us.
everything to me, man. It means everything to me. Everything. Oh my god, I can't believe it. I can't believe the pressure. You have no idea, guys, how much pressure it was.
Oh man, beautiful. Actually, yeah, I mean, none of us can feel like pura din stream to take care of everything else, everyone, just so many things, and play well, and
Me,
play
I'm-
like this. Be on the
I'm sure
leaderboard
हम में से
so
कोई भी नहीं
ahead.
कर पाता.
Oh,
हम में से कोई भी नहीं कर पाता.
impossible. मतलब just beautifully done, man. So deserving. Beautiful games.
Congratulations, Biswa.
Congratulations to you too, brother.
Oh भाई.
Biswa yaar, how are you able to maintain your calm here? I'm sure you were so close to victory. तुमको मतलब ऐसा you might have even imagined कि मैं जीत गया हूँ करके.
Yeah, for sure. But I think it's a poetic justice that मैंने एक opening trap prepare किया था, but he's the better player, so he won. So I think that way it's fine. I mean, you can prepare traps, but the better player always wins. So that way it's very fair.
God.
It's a nice way to look at it, man. But beautifully played, man, Biswa. And of course, very well deserving Samay, man. Very well played.
Samay came out of the
Throughout the
dead like how
tournament.
3 times, 2 times,
Yeah.
proper, yeah.
After dominating for 7 days completely.
Yeah.
Oh my God, guys! Oh man, मेरे को कॉमिक्स्तान से भी ज्यादा जब मैं जीता था ना, उससे भी ज्यादा मेरे को और हो रहा है.
100%. I had the same.
Because you had to do comics only once to win.
Joel man.
Congratulations, buddy. What a play, dude.
Thank you, Sumit. Thank you, chat.
Very well deserved.
Everybody in the chat, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for joining all the comedians. अगर आप लोग नहीं आते तो कैसे ही होता series. So thank you so much for all who participated, guys.